Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are good, Alhamdulillah. And we completed this lesson last time, and after that we have its dua. I was told you top of the every letter this sign name Fatah. It's Fatah, 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 and Fatah. Okay, is Fatah sign. I was told you when will come this sign top of the any letter, then you will read that. We have meme. This one meme upper side of meme is coming this Fatah sign. We will read this meme Fatah ma. Before it lam lam Fatah la. Before it kaf Fatah ka. قاف فتى قه فا فتى فا غين فتى غا عين فتى ع. Okay, and before it ظا فتى ظا. It's ظا, and top of this ظا is فتى sign. Okay, after that we have noon noon فتى na. Wow فتى va. Ha fataha hamza fata'a ya fataya. We're finished. We are touching to next lesson now. Today it's same reading. Okay, you focus today's lesson specially. We have first letter alif, after that mim, and after that ra. You know, look, top of every letter this sign is fatha. It's fatha, it's one also fatha, and this one also fatha. We will read it hamza. It's alif. Okay, alif and hamza say alif fatha a, mim fatha ma, ra alhamdulillah, alif fatha a, and mim fatha ma, ra fatha ra, amara. After that ba fatha ba, lam fatha la, ba la, ghain fatha gha, balagha. Okay, after that we have tha fatha tha, mim fatha ma, tha ma, ra fatha ra, tha ma ra, tha ma ra. After that you look top of the every letter this sign fatha 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 fatha. Okay, also in this line, also in this line, also in this line fatha, top of the any letter sign name fatha fatha fatha. Okay, we are reading now this one, and ha fatha ha, sin fatha sa, ha sa, dal fatha da, ha sa da. Okay, and next one zal fatha za, kaf fatha ka, za ka, ra fatha ra, za ka ra, za ka ra, ha sa da, amara, balagha, thamara, jama'a. Okay, after that we have this ra fatha ra, fa fatha fa, ra fa, ain fatha a, ra fa a. Okay, and last one this one za fatha za, ain fatha a, za a, mim fatha ma, za a ma. I hope you understand it now, alhamdulillah. If you not understand, then repeat it video sometimes. After that you will expert inshallah in this reading. It's starting Quranic lesson. It's Quranic lesson. We have Quranic lesson this one. Okay, hasada, it's hasada using in second last surahs of Quran. Okay, yeah, hasad. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق من شر غاسق إذا وقب من شر النفاثات في العقد من شر حاسد إذا حسد. Hasad, it's hasad coming in Surah Falaq. Okay, also Quran, in Quran using this dhakar or rafa'a za'am, like its base. Okay, you don't miss it. It's Quranic lesson. Alphabet we completed. We have now Quranic science. We are starting Quranic science. We are understanding Quranic science. Please don't forget it. Don't ignore it. Don't avoid it. Please give your 10 minutes for this video. Please. After that, if you want to understanding now complete proper, then focus and carefully read only 10 minutes. Okay. I suggestion give you 10 minutes. Give this lesson, today's lesson. Okay. I am completing this. Sin fatha sa, ra fatha ra, sa ra, qaf fatha qa, sa ra qa, swad fatha swa, dal fatha da, swa da, qaf fatha qa, swa da qa. After that, dwad fatha dwa, ra fatha ra, dwa ra, ba fatha ba, dwa ra ba. Next one we have dwa fatha dwa, lam fatha la, dwa la, mim fatha ma, dwa la ma. Next one, last line, this one, same fatha signs in this also. Ain fatha a, dal fatha da, ada, lam fatha la, ada la. Okay. Qaf fatha qa, mim fatha ma, qama, ra fatha ra, qama ra. After that, kaf fatha ka, sin fatha sa, ka sa, ba fatha ba, ka sa ba. And last letter of the page, waw fatha wa, jim fatha ja, va ja, dal fatha da, wajada. It's very, very, very simple and easy. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.